Hi, good morning everybody. It's me, the Kilo G. I got an update with my battery switch test. I've been watching this carefully all morning, and I hate to say this, but nice idea, but it doesn't work. You've got to switch it manually after you've hit your absorption mode. It leads to confusion between the charge controller and the inverter, and they hum and they buzz, and the inverter the charge controller pretty much takes over. But for me personally, it's not worth the risk, and I would not recommend doing it. So I would call this a failed attempt, but you can do it as long as you switch it manually. Do not leave it in the all position all the time, okay? It doesn't work. So you can do the battery switch to the inverter, but you have to do it manually. Okay, that's it. I want to get this out there because it doesn't work the way I thought it would. That's it. Bye.